here we are on another stunning morning. It's hard to beat sometimes. It's just past 6:30 and yeah, the forecast was looking for anywhere from 4 knots of breeze to up to 17, so it wasn't looking particularly good, but made the call, came out and had a few contingency plans in place, so if it was windy, had a few places to go, but so far I don't think that's going to be a problem. First fish on. Yeah. Oh, it could be a alright one too. He's just started pulling. Woo! Whoa, shit! Alright, alright. Coming your way, so might just want to watch out. Oh! Woo! Yeah, I don't know if you're able to get out of the way at all, but we're coming over at a significant rate of knots. Yeah, sorry to bother. Oh! Oh! It's just a little bit more punishing coming up from 50 meters.
It is the fattest of cunts.
I better grab the net then.
Oh, that's comfortable 60.
Oh, he's large.
Maybe 70. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a good one. That's what we're here for.
He's
Maybe not, eh? 60. I'll let this guy go. There we go. Solid.
that's the good stuff.
Ready? Let's see if it goes back. Just another good one.